Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello, little artists. Are you ready for a fun-filled drawing adventure today? We're going to create something sweet and special, a Shape's birthday cake. Are you excited? Let's dive in. Before we bring our Shape's birthday cake to life, let's start with a quick and simple pencil sketch. Just follow along with me and let your creativity shine. Are you ready? Let's sketch it out. Great job with the sketch! Now, grab your black marker and let's make our Shape's birthday cake pop. First up, draw a rectangle. Nice and easy. Now, add a star, a triangle, a heart, a square with a little handle, and finally, a circle with a handle. These shapes are going to be the ornaments on top of our birthday cake. Next, let's draw the two-layer cake. Picture it in your mind, a delicious masterpiece. Now, decorate the top layer with triangle and circle shapes. These are going to make our cake extra special. Beautiful! Moving down to the bottom layer, let's decorate it with heart shapes. Imagine all the love we're putting into our drawing. And don't forget to draw a round plate underneath the cake to make it stand out. Now, it's time to make our drawing bold and sharp. Go over the outlines with your black marker, making everything stand out. Our Shape's birthday cake is taking shape. Great job, little artists! Now, let's add some color to make it even more fantastic. Are you ready to bring this cake to life? Color the circle shape on top of the cake green. Can you feel the freshness? The square shape is next, let's make it orange. Picture a burst of energy. Moving on to the heart shape, color it red. Show the love. The triangle comes next, paint it pink. Imagine a sweet surprise. Now, color the rectangle sky blue. Let your imagination soar. The star is last, paint it yellow. Shine bright, little star. Now, for the cake itself. Color the top layer yellow. Red color. Orange color. Pink color. Purple color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Finally, let's color the plate with dark and light green. Picture a lovely presentation. And there you have it, our amazing Shapes birthday cake. I hope you had as much fun as I did creating this masterpiece. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and until next time, stay creative. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.